Hi everybody, this is Joe here again. I'm gonna try another challenge today here with Anthony here, my good buddy here, and I'm attempting to eat 5 McChickens in under a minute. Anytime, Anthony.
3, 2, 1, go.
About you.
$45 seconds. 48, 49, 50. Minute. 1. You done? You want to keep going? Okay. Alright. Hurry up. Minute 37. Minute 30 seconds, I mean.
It's almost the 5.
Minute 52, 54 seconds. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 2 minutes. Keep going.
No, I don't want Daddy. Dad, in the morning can I have a...
Less than 3 minutes, Joe. Come on. Get it down. 3 minutes. Stop.
I was swallowing it. That was hard. Jesus Christ.
3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Yeah. Well, excuse me. The 1 minute thing did not work, so I'll have to work on it. So I'll be seeing y'all again. Peace.